Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Plymouth, local and long distance movers near me. We ensure clients get their belongings on time when they patronize us for a long distance transfer. Though long distance relocations call for more preparation and have greater chance of failure, you can be sure that we will pull your relocation through. We will not only get you your belongings on time, but will also do so without damage or losing any items. You can trust us on that. Our local relocations are the best you will find in the area, going about $30 to $40 per hour. You can trust that we will get to your location on time, even if we have to maneuver bustling cities and roads. We will also help you achieve a stress-free and seamless relocation. You can ask around. We are the best at what we do, and no other moving firm can offer what we offer, quality and affordability. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Plymouth moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.